Hello, today I'm going to be filming a little flat tour for you because I filmed my room tour last year at uni, so I thought I'd film one for this room here. I was a bit nervous to move in here, and to be honest, I'm feeling a little bit on edge still now. I think 'cause it doesn't feel quite like home to me. I've only been here a couple of days, so yeah, I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. Please like and subscribe if you want to, and let's get started. So this is my front door, so I'm going to walk in as if I was like walking through it. So I turn you around. So on my left here is my bathroom, so I'll be sharing this with my flatmate. So if you go in, got a nice big mirror, although it's a bit weird, you can see yourself showering. So yeah, I've got a huge mirror, obviously toilet, that's all my bits and pieces, a towel rack, and then if I walk back a bit, I have a really nice big shower. So yeah, I'm really happy with the bathroom in this place because my one in my last place wasn't that great. So yeah, and then if I keep walking ahead, we have our food bins here and just like those are my shopping bags. And then here is my cupboard, so I've just got obviously cutlery, herbs and spices, things like that in there. And then this is the freezer, so 3 sort of drawers there for us to share. This toaster and kettle came with the flat, and then this is like our sort of kitchen area, so there's a cupboard up there that I'll be sharing. We get 2 hobs, those are my little bits there. And then this is like a sort of microwave combined with an oven and a grill. It's a bit confusing, but I'm getting my head around it, so yeah. And then this is just another cupboard, obviously. And then this is the fridge in here. So it is quite a small fridge, but I'm sure we'll work our way around it. And then this is my room. So I'm going to show you in there now. So I can either open it with my key card, but luckily because I've got some sort of drawers, I've got some like, what is it called? Like a coat hanger thing on it, like it doesn't shut properly. So yeah, so I can just open it like that. So the first thing you see is my bed. So on my bed at the moment, I have some bedding from Matalan, except this is the same blanket from last year. That was from Primark, and my bed sheet is from Amazon. And then that pink fluffy cushion is from Primark as well, but the rest of the bedding is Matalan. That little light came with the room, obviously. This heart is from Next, and this also is this lamp. These have been like my previous room tours. That little clock is from Amazon. And then this canvas is from a charity shop. And then I've got a nice big mirror, which makes me happy. So it's probably one of the first mirrors I can actually see my whole body in it. So yeah, that's nice. And I've just got my shoes down here. And then obviously on the back of the door is my coat hanger. So this I just bought from Matalan. It was in a recent haul. And then on here I just have these coat hangers that came, coat pegs, I don't know what they're called, like space to hang my coats basically. This came with the room. And this is my window, so you can just see all the rest of the accommodation. And then over here you can see the trains going and just some like bath housing. And then over here I just have these drawers are from Homebase. These were in my last room actually. So I just put sort of shoes and miscellaneous bits and bobs in here. And then moving around, I have my wardrobe. So I've realised actually it fits just everything I need in it. I definitely packed a lot lighter clothing wise this time because one, my cupboard space is smaller. And secondly, like I just knew it, like the amount of clothes I packed last time was just ridiculous. So yeah. And then here I have a sort of student yearly planner thing, which I think is going to be really helpful for exam time and stuff. I got given this when I moved in. And then over here I just have spare sort of bags and stuff. And then here is my desk. Oh, these wooden chairs I actually bought with me from home because obviously I knew I didn't have a table or anything here. So I thought it'd just be good to have some extra chairs like from when people come around and stuff. But this chair actually came with the room with my bag on it. And then this is my desk. So I've got quite a decent sized desk. It's not as big as last year, but it's still like decent. So yeah, I was going to tidy up a bit more, but like I think if it was more realistic, it was just a mess like it always is. And And then up here is probably one of my favourite parts of the room is these shelves, because my shelves last year were a bit ugly. So I just have some books up here, my perfumes, some little candle holders, and this C is from, I think it's called like Smile something, I can't remember, I'll try and link it down below. And then I've just got some sort of like paper divider things, a little frame that says Smile, Sparkle, Shine. This flower thing came from Sainsbury's, my mum got it for me last year. A candle holder, a photo of me and my mum and my brother. And yeah, so that's the room. It actually looks nice now the sun's poked out a little bit. So yeah, I'll talk to you in the mirror. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. As I said, like this wasn't my top place to like live, because I do want to eventually like live in a student house. So hopefully I can live in one next year, just so I'll have a bit more space and like a proper kitchen. But like it's such a central location in Bath. Like probably if you've watched this video and you like know Bath uni accommodation, you probably know what accommodation it is. But obviously I'm not going to disclose my address online. So yeah, like it wasn't what I wanted, but like it is still good. Like it's still really good quality, like it's all quite modern and stuff. So yeah, so I hope second year goes all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. Oh my god, my hand looks like a claw. Please like and subscribe if you want to. Also, this is my key card I used to get in and out of the building, in and out of my flat. So yeah, I can't be losing this. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you soon. Bye.